Both Abu Salama and Atta bin Yasar visited Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu and asked him, "Have you heard anything from Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam about Haruriya?" He said, "I do not know anything about Haruriya, but I have heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam say, in this ummah, a group of people will emerge. He did not say that will be formed this ummah. There will be such people that you will consider your prayers insignificant as compared to their prayers. They will recite the Quran, but the Quran will not pass their throats or windpipe. They will exit the religion as an arrow goes through a game. The hunter looks at the wood of his arrow as well as its head, its wings, its ending part, which is between his thumb and finger, to see perhaps it is stained with blood." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 2452.